Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see about a super application called Digital Compass, which is so useful to while you're just traveling. And if you're a civil engineer or if you're just traveling, this is so useful Digital Compass application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the Digital Compass application from the Play Store from KTW apps. So this is the compass as I just talking about, and you can just move and you can just see how it's look like. You can see it's actually facing the northeast and it shows the degree accurately. You can just move the compass like this. You can just use it as a horizontal or vertical like this. You can just see turning the phone, it automatically switch to, if an example now it shows as southeast. If I'm making the phone on the center, it shows as south, and while just vertically you can see now it shows as northeast. If I just turn, it shows as southeast. And also we have a bubble level on the center. Here you can fix the bubble level if you just need it. And also in the top you can find the lot of settings about the high well kilometer, accelerometer, magnetometer, what things like some sensors, and also click on the setting option. Here you can find the keep device on, enable the location service, or show evaluation like that. You can just also use gyroscope, the sensor about the coordinates, and vibrate, camera mode, everything here. So it's so useful if you're just traveling on the forest, or if you're traveling, or if you're a civil engineer, or if you're a builder. It's so useful application and one of the best compass as I find on the Play Store. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.